Apartment Makeover, a sleek and creative Brooklyn apartment. Luckily, when Daniel and Kyle set out to remodel their apartment, they were working with good bones. The building was built in 1932 using repurposed brick from the original Waldorf Astoria Hotel. Since their apartment was so well-maintained and had a rich history, as Daniel says, they made it a goal to modernize the apartment. After renovating an astounding 80% of the apartment, it's light, fresh and airy. Several of the walls were torn down and the original doors were replaced. Door frames and moldings were kept, going through a week-long treatment that stripped all of the layers of paint down to the original metal, which had been oxidized, creating an eye-catching marbled look. The natural light was maximized with overhead recessed lights. The floors were stripped down and now feature a stain that complements the new cabinetry. And the layout was completely changed, opening up the kitchen to allow for an island with seating. The process took around 2 months, and today, the two couldn't be happier with the result. Daniel says, "I wanted to make sure the apartment felt new, modern, clean, crisp, accessible, bright and good for entertaining. I believe we achieved it. And achieved it they did, with a new dining area that's perfect for fun gatherings. A classic walnut table brings depth to the breezy space, complete with vibrant decorative items that act as conversation pieces. The Joseph Bradley artwork dotted with joyful yellow finches acts as a decorative anchor. The couple even turned to their kitchen as an opportunity to show off some personality, with artistic decor pieces resting on chic shelving. The Anthropologie wishbone brackets bring a hint of character to otherwise standard shelves. A sense of playfulness is experienced through these pieces of art, like the delightful chicken artwork created by Trevor Mikula. The apartment flawlessly brings together eclectic styling. Mid-century details live comfortably beside the trends of today, which can be witnessed here in these Pottery Barn cube display shelves. The white walls and light-colored furnishings put the spotlight on the cheerful decor and artistic objects. The centerpiece of Daniel and Kyle's apartment is undoubtedly their many art collections. Since the makeover, the open floor plan and neutral palette naturally invite color and creativity to be splashed across the walls. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.